Welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a smoked turkey breast on our Traeger grill. My name is RJ and this is Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. Alright guys, so here we have it. It's our turkey breast. It's just the breast. So I also went and I got Tony's cherries, something like that. It's an injection style butter marinade that's going to go inside here. But the cool thing about when you buy this, it comes with an injector thing. So you guys don't need to buy one. You guys don't need to have one. Just, it comes together. I got this at Walmart, so it's pretty cool. We're going to inject this into this. Go ahead and open it up. An injection is in there. See? So all you got to do is connect it. And there it is. So we're going to go ahead and open this. Alright, so pretty much what we're going to do is go in there and get some of that juicy goodness. Not bad. So we're going to go ahead and inject all this in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start on the breast and then just get it out. Oh, look at that. Go out, go in, press it, and then go out. Just like that. Oh, ooh, 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 ooh. Let me get some more. Just go in there, get it out. Get it out. Oh, look at that. This is pretty cool. So this is my first time injecting anything in it for any of my rubs that I've done. So now there we have it. We got a nice injection going on. And so we don't need a binder because we already got the binder. So what we're going to use today is this Lane Sweet Heat bird rub. So let's go ahead and get it in there. So this has a nice sweet to it. So I think it's going to be perfect for this turkey. I'm excited to try. This is my first time doing a turkey. And we're going to be using this on a Traeger grill. So it's going to give it a nice smoke flavor into all of this juicy goodness. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on my lovely trusty. I like to use one of these guys. If you guys don't have this, love using this because you can transport it over there, take it out, easy. Will it stay like that? I guess it does. Look at that. That's how we're going to keep it. Alright, so we're going to put our Traeger grill to 300 degrees. Don't know exactly the time. If I had to guess, 2 hours. But we're also going to add a little bit of butter on top. After it's been there for an hour, I'm going to come back out and I'm going to drench a little bit of butter to add some more flavor on the outside. Gets that nice golden crisp, golden color that we like. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Traeger. Guys, our Traeger's at 300 degrees. Let's go ahead and add this bad boy in here. And we'll be back in an hour to check on it. Alright guys, it's been 1 hour, so we're about to put some butter in this. It's looking really good. Alright, we'll be back. Alright guys, it's been 2 hours and a half. We're at 162. Alright, let's take it out. We'll be back. Alright, so here we have it. And before we get cut into this delicious turkey breast, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. know you guys are ready to see how this came out. So let's go ahead and give it a nice cut. Look at that. Oh, is that in that butter to it? Oh man, it makes it look really good. Wow, that is good. That's some great flavor to it too. There's also be a link for Lanes if you guys want to check them out. That's really good. Now I'm gonna go take this in there, add some mashed potatoes and gravy, some Hawaiian rolls. That's a pre-Thanksgiving dinner. Make sure you guys hit that like. Make sure you hit that subscribe, that bell notification, so you guys know when there's more videos coming up. And I will see you guys next time.